guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add PayPal account to Google Pay. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add your, let's just say your PayPal account to your Google Pay account here, well, this one is going to be quite easy. How do you do this? Well, first things first, you want to open up the, let's say Google Play Store here, and you want to go ahead and access the section for your homepage. Now, typically the search is going to be pretty much good to go here, but at the top right, you should be able to see your profile icon. Let's go and select that one. Now, in here, you want to look for the option that says Payments and Subscriptions. So let's go and select that one. Now, inside Payments and Subscriptions, you should see a number of options here. So go ahead and choose the Payment Methods option. Now, under Payment Methods, you should see a number of options here. So you have the Add Credit or Debit Card, you have other payment options, add, let's just say a e-wallet into your account here. But in some cases, you may see the Add PayPal account. Now, once you do see Add PayPal account in here, you want to go and select that one. And from here, you just need to log in into your PayPal account. Now, obviously, this screen is protected. So what you are going to see is going to be the option to enter your email address and the option to enter your your password to log in into your PayPal account. Now, once you've logged in, you just need to authorize that you want to connect your PayPal account or your PayPal account into your actual Google Pay account here. And once you've done that, just authorize that. You should be able to start using PayPal as a payment method. Now, just to give you some idea, in some cases, in certain regions, and depending on your Google account here, you may or may not be able to see a PayPal option. Now, again, this is subject to availability on certain regions and depending on your account. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.